Hi, students. Welcome to your writing lesson for today. I think you're going to really enjoy it, and I cannot wait to dive in and see what we're going to do. Remember that when we're doing our writing assignments, it always goes right along what we just read in reading. So I know today we read about this special scientists that were really impactful during the Reformation time, and so now we're going to look at some of the what we're going to do today with that information in all the information we learned in unit 7 so far. I mean unit 6 so far. Okay, so you guys, we're going to plan a slide presentation, and seeing how well you guys did in the previous unit with your biographies, I know you're going to do amazing, right? So this is, again, we're going to use technology as far as visual aids, photographs, and different things to convey our information. We need to make sure that we're both organized so that the information is logically right and grammarly, like our grammar is correct. And we're going to look at it in different ways and make sure that it's less writing and includes images. So when you're doing a slide presentation, you try to limit your writing and just have your, but still make sure it gives information and then has pictures. Okay, this is our slide presentation rubric where I'm going to look at to grade you. So make sure you look over it so that you know that you want to get on the exemplary side, because that's the greatest and way that you're going to get the highest grade that I know that you can deserve. Okay, so this is just an example. So if this was your first introduction, your cover page, you might put the Reformation, the ideas that rock the world. I love how that has that catchy, phrase there. And then different pictures of things that we learned, as far as the printing press, the movable type, and different things that we learned throughout. And Martin Luther, that's one of the founding father of the Reformation. But yeah, just different things about that. So that would be an example. Again, the body rubric. So this is showing what I'm going to be looking for in the body. Just like if I were, you're writing an essay, the body, the information, right? So embodying is what is the Reformation? So first, you're telling us what the Reformation is, because someone, like, if I didn't know what it was, how would you tell me, right? So now you have pictures. It's short. Remember, you're not going to have a lot of information there, just a sentence, and then you have pictures as well. Then it's another portion. What event launched the Reformation? So why did this happen? Again, less type and a lot less words, and then you have a picture as well. And then why was Martin Luther so upset? So we learned about Martin Luther. Why was he upset? And here, how you can also have more words, but make sure you have bullet points. That's important as well to separate. And then another picture of his 95 thesis. And then why does it matter? Again, you have a picture and then your bullet points of information here. And then you talk about science and Reformation, and Copernicus and all of those scientists. And then remember, you have the bullet points and your picture. Again, you're talking about another artist, another scientist. You have bullet points and your picture. Again, same thing as we go through. Okay, and our conclusion. Okay, so now you're talking about why did this thing happen? How did it change the world, right? So now you're going to we're going to go ahead and look at activity 7.4, and then we're going to start planning. Okay, so you're going to choose one of these following titles. You can underline it, highlight it, or put an arrow there and say, Miss Rogers, this is the one I want to do. And that's the title that you're going to be grouped. That's the title of your presentation that you're going to put together. Okay. Also going to pick a slide of the titles for your body slides as well. You can underline them or put an arrow or something or circle them to let me know this is what you're choosing. And then again, so you're just choosing your body titles again, or make sure you highlight or underline it to do that, to let me know and notify me if that's what you're doing. So, all right, boys and girls, remember before we're always going to plan before we start our lesson. So I cannot wait to see your presentations. But first, we're going to plan and then we're going to move forward. So make sure you click those, highlight those titles that you want to choose, and do well. I cannot wait. Good job, boys and girls. Until next time, bye.